Looking for a reliable, powerful ride that can handle a bigger frame? In this guide, we're revealing the best electric scooter for heavy adults, built for comfort, strength, and smooth performance. Let's roll into the top options available. Number 1. Volpam Adults Electric Scooter. The Volpam Adults Electric Scooter is a fantastic choice for anyone in search of a reliable, easy-to-use, and powerful ride built for heavier adults. This electric scooter stands out primarily because of its improved 350W motor, which strikes an excellent balance between high torque and low power consumption. It reaches a top speed of 16 miles per hour, which is fast enough for most city commutes while maintaining a stable and controlled ride. More importantly, it supports a maximum weight of 264 pounds, making it a dependable option for heavier riders who need extra support and power without sacrificing performance. The enhanced battery is another notable feature, offering an impressive travel range of 12 miles on a single charge. It only takes 4 to 5 hours to recharge, so it's ready to go when you need it. The built-in cruise control adds convenience to longer rides, reducing hand fatigue by allowing a hands-free experience on open stretches. Volpam also prioritized portability and storage with a quick folding system that collapses the scooter in just 1 second. It's light enough to carry comfortably, whether you're stashing it in a car trunk, under a desk, or hauling it upstairs. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The scooter includes a bright LED display showing speed, battery life, cruise control status, and more, giving riders vital information at a glance. Combined with the EABS electronic brake system and a reliable rear drum brake, you get consistent, safe stopping power even during sudden stops or night rides. The bright headlight and tail light improve visibility for added peace of mind after dark. Another major plus is the set of 8.5-inch solid tires, which are puncture-proof and maintenance-free, saving both time and money in the long run. The Smart App integration is a modern touch, offering real-time diagnostics on scooter health, battery status, and additional features like cruise settings and lock options. Number 2. Werhy Adults Electric Scooter. The Werhy Adults Electric Scooter makes a strong impression with its balance of smart technology, durable construction, and thoughtful design, built specifically for heavier riders. Its intelligent control system sets it apart, with a dedicated app offering control over locking, ride modes, lighting systems, speed levels, and cruise control. This digital convenience means you can adjust settings on the go, check your scooter's health, and customize your riding experience with ease. The Werhy H7 is built tough, supporting riders up to 265 pounds, making it a dependable choice for heavy adults in need of a sturdy, reliable commuting option. When it comes to safety, Werhy doesn't cut corners. The scooter is outfitted with a warning taillight and a bright headlight, ensuring you're visible during night rides. Its dual braking system, which includes both mechanical brakes and an EABS regenerative anti-lock system, provides reliable stopping power, even in sudden or tricky situations. This added safety feature brings extra peace of mind for daily commuters navigating busy streets or unpredictable paths. Portability is another winning feature. The Werhy electric scooter folds down in just 3 seconds to a compact 18 inches in height, making it easy to stow in your car trunk, office, or under a desk. This makes it perfect for campus travel, office commutes, or city excursions where storage space is limited. The build quality is commendable, with a rugged frame that has passed the UL 2272 certification, ensuring it meets stringent safety standards for electric rideables. Performance-wise, this scooter delivers solid results with its dependable motor and battery setup, providing enough power and range to cover most urban commutes efficiently. Number 3. Roinside Adults Electric Scooter. The Roinside Adults Electric Scooter is a reliable and well-rounded option for adults looking for a powerful, commuter-friendly scooter capable of supporting heavier riders. One of its standout features is its high-performance 350W brushless motor paired with a 323Wh battery, enabling this scooter to reach a top speed of 19 miles per hour and a maximum range of up to 15 miles per charge. With a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds, it's built to handle heavier adults without compromising on speed or stability, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and leisure rides alike. Safety takes center stage with the Roinside Up 6 model. It's UL 2272 certified, meaning it meets strict electrical and fire safety standards. It's equipped with a dual braking system that combines a disc brake with an ABS regenerative anti-lock brake for confident, reliable stopping power in all conditions. This ensures that even on steep hills or busy streets, you can stop smoothly and safely. The bright LED headlight and taillight enhance visibility, while the sturdy aluminum alloy frame adds a durable, high-quality feel to the entire scooter. Another noteworthy feature is the two-way starting mode. Riders can choose between a glide start, which engages after a slight push, or an electric start mode, giving you flexibility based on your preference or the riding situation. Number 4. Maxshort Adults Electric Scooter. If you're searching for a heavy-duty scooter with smooth ride quality and excellent power, the Maxshort Adults Electric Scooter should be at the top of your list. Designed with durability and comfort in mind, this scooter boasts 10-inch honeycomb tires paired with a dual suspension system, making it perfect for riding on rough or uneven surfaces. The solid, puncture-proof tires eliminate the hassle of maintenance while providing consistent performance. Supporting a maximum rider weight of 265 pounds, it's well-equipped to serve heavier adults with ease. The Maxshort electric scooter is driven by a robust 500W brushless hub motor, which allows it to reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, faster than many competing models in its class. This, combined with a high-capacity, replaceable 42V/10.5Ah battery, delivers a range of up to 22 miles under ideal conditions. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring city streets, this scooter offers reliable power and excellent distance coverage on a single charge. It also pairs with a mobile app available for both iPhone and Android devices, offering convenient control of cruise settings, speedometers, locking functions, and more. This modern connectivity makes it a practical and user-friendly option for tech-savvy riders. Number 5. Gyroor Adults Electric Scooter. For those seeking both performance and versatility, the Gyroor Adults Electric Scooter offers a premium commuting solution specifically designed for heavy adults. Powered by a 550W motor, this scooter reaches speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour and offers an impressive range of 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. What sets it apart is the adjustable seat feature, suitable for riders between 5 feet 1 inch and 6 feet 1 inch. The seat itself is made of soft, breathable material, adding an extra layer of comfort for longer trips or those with back concerns. Another standout feature is its ample storage options. The scooter comes equipped with a large detachable middle basket and a smaller rear basket, making it perfect for carrying groceries, gear, or even a small pet on the wide 9.5-inch deck. The ride is smooth and stable, thanks to thick 12-inch shock-absorbing tires that handle bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. An exclusive bar lock prevents the stem from accidentally folding while riding, adding extra peace of mind. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 265 pounds, giving heavier riders dependable performance without compromise. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.